Okay, in this video, I want to show you how Action1 can help remediate zero-day vulnerabilities. So you can see I'm logged into my Action1 console here. I have one endpoint, 42 vulnerabilities. If I go into the vulnerabilities page, you'll see all the CVE information, the score, publish date, the software that is vulnerable, as well as any actively exploited vulnerabilities. So anything with a yes here under the known exploited vulnerabilities list, these are the ones that we want to prioritize. These are actively being exploited somewhere in the wild by a bad actor. Now, I can quickly select these, all that are marked with a yes, and click Start Remediation. Action1 will load these in here and determine the best course of action to get these remediated. So if I select these here, you can see I have a 7-zip and then Windows 11. I can deploy updates if there is a patch available for those. If there isn't a patch available yet, maybe 7-zip, the vendor hasn't come out with a patch yet, I could uninstall that software and that would remediate it. Otherwise, I can document compensating controls, which will be more for compliance reasons. You're going to be documenting the steps that you took to mitigate that, whether it's blocking firewall ports or disabling services until they come out with a new patch. But right now, I can actually mark as deploy updates. I do get a green check mark here. That means I can push out a patch. There is one available for those. I can just click next, select everyone that has those softwares installed, and then next, and then schedule this to run either at a later time or I could run it right now. That is one option to do it from the vulnerabilities page here. I could also go to update approval here. This is going to show you all the pending updates across all your endpoints. So Windows updates, third-party application patches, and any Mac updates if you have any. It'll show you the severity level. It'll show you the vulnerabilities that they're going to address. And again, I can just select all of these updates if I choose to and click Install Now. These will get loaded in here very quickly, and I can set up my reboot options if I want it to reboot automatically or do not reboot, and then put in a custom message for any currently logged on user. And then from there, I can click Next. Again, I'm going to want to target everyone to get those updates installed and to make sure they're compliant and safe. And then I can click Next again and schedule this. Again, I can run it right now or at a later time. Once you hit now or finish, that will start that job and get those systems up to date very quickly and keep everyone compliant. Thank you.